Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Woodbine Loft video. It's been a while since I put a new video up. Just been busy. So today I'm going to show you my racing birds. They're going out for a quick fly in the morning. So they haven't started flying properly yet. It's just been molting season for the birds. They're still changing their feathers. They hardly can fly, but they slowly learning to fly. There's some young ones too. Those ones are already flying. Now you can see some of them actually struggling to fly. Some of them sitting on the roof. Some of them still hasn't come out of the loft, and they gotten a bit heavier, so I have to actually cut down on heavy feed and put light mix, do purdive or barley to lighten them up a bit and get them to fly. So the next 2 weeks they should slowly go out and start flying, but you probably could tell they are in heavy molt. Some of the young ones, you can see they are not in the flock, they're just flying everywhere. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're separated from the mob because they're young and they could fly. These ones, you can see it's panting, puffing. It's not fit, they're not fit to fly now. And it's still a bit humid here in Sydney. So by end of next month, which is March, they should be a lot better as they start to go out, and weather will start to cool down from April. And they will be way better in April. And yeah, this one learned to land on the board straight, and you can see how strongly it's puffing. It's running out of breath. It's went in straight. I like the 2-year-olds because they land straight on the landing board, but those young ones, they sort of muck around. They go up to the roof, sits here, there, before they come in. So yeah, there's some of them started flying, which is good. Yeah guys, just thought to show you my birds, the flying birds, and you know, once they all go out and start to fly over the next couple of weeks, they will be flying a lot better, and they'll probably be ready for a toss sometime in April. So it depends if the birds have started ranging, they're flying well, I might take them for a toss. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope to make more new videos soon, and we'll stay in touch. The young ones not confident to land on the board straight, and they go up to the roof first before they're coming down. Alright guys. Yeah guys, have a great day, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.